Hi everyone, happy Sunday again. I just wanted to share some warmers and some things I've acquired over the past couple weeks, trying to get my Christmas stuff out, and it's been really hard this year. I've acquired a ton more Christmas stuff and I have to still box a lot of it up. Here we go. So I got this candle at Home Goods. My daughter laughs at me when I'm always in the candle aisle at Home Goods where she works. Sand and Fog is a really good brand. This was on clearance. This winter white smells very fresh and beautiful. I got that. I love the lid. I found on Mercari this Valentine's warmer. Very cute. I think it was gently used once or something, but I love the design. And I got on eBay this very cute reindeer who's doing snow angels. It's a tea light holder. So I need to get some scented tea lights maybe, or just a regular. I get these thick tea lights on Amazon. They're great. They're tall, so they burn for 6 hours. If you can find those, they're great. So it makes your tea light warmers last a lot longer. And I got my first Kringle order, which I'm excited about. Blueberry muffin. This smells great. Very authentic, not a fake blueberry. So I'm excited to try that. I think Jessica on YouTube told me about that Kringle blueberry, how good it is. I got Marshmallow Mornings, which smells really good. I love that. I also got Donut Worry, which is lighter than the others, much lighter, but I'm gonna let it sit for a bit. I also found on Mercari this Scotland Goose Creek. I love the country ones. They're very good, very strong. This is sugared shortbread. It smells great. I got a Mexico one that smelled like tres leches cake, that it lasted so long. And I'm sad that it's done. I think I have another one coming, but I love the country ones. I also found on eBay this really cute tea light rain boot warmer. I'm so excited about this. It has water in it because my kitchen window is leaking, so I didn't have time to empty the water out. But yeah, it's airtight. I just love that one. That's so unique. I haven't seen a tea light like that. I also got at Home Goods these plates that I fell in love with. These are Valentine's plates. I have Christmas round ones like this, but this set of 4 heart-shaped plates was only $9.99. Plus I get 10% off as the mom of a Home Goods employee. So, yay. It's dangerous but fun. And I found this on eBay or Mercari, this Pioneer Woman warmer. No, I got this at Walmart. That's right. I got this at Walmart when I was there last week. Her warmers perform well, so I love that. And over here, I am making pumpkin blueberry or pumpkin chocolate chip bread this morning. I roast pumpkins every year for Halloween, and I finally roasted a big pumpkin that was holding out. And it's so easy to roast pumpkins. You just cut them up and put them in the oven for like 45 minutes to an hour. And then it just gets super soft, and you scrape out the seeds and the meat and everything. And I just pureed this, and I've had this Cuisinart since 1984 when I first got married, and I lost the blade, which I was able to go on Mercari and find a blade replacement and another, like a grater replacement to grate cheese, a different connection. But I'm so excited that this thing still works. I don't want to jinx it, but I just pureed this, and that's what I'm going to do today, is get this out of the way and do my pumpkin bread. Every year I try to roast the pumpkins, not to waste them, and sometimes I'll freeze it for the next year, but I'm just going to go ahead and make this. And I also found these cute Valentine's plates at Home Goods that I got 4 of them, so that's fun to put those around and put a candle on them or a warmer or something. I got some wax over there on it already, and that's about it, everyone. So have a beautiful day, happy Sunday, and happy melting. Bye.